Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to fix this type of problem. So those who are facing this type of problem, so follow the step by step video. So to solve this issue you have to go to your setting. Inside the setting you have to go to apps, and I want to uninstall this app. Click on uninstall, but the program is showing this type of problem. So how to fix this? So to fix this you have to need one software, so which is with uninstaller. So open it. So after opening the software you have to find which program you want to install. So I want to install this software. So click on this software and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. It will take some time. So it is uninstalling the software. So successfully deleted the software and I uninstalled it with leftovers. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.